Hi everyone, in this video we're going to review your left hand position as well as plucking with your right hand on the D string to make the different notes when you're pushing down the tapes. So just as a reminder, everything we're doing today is on your D string only. So when you're in your playing position, you take your right hand, you make your L shape. Remember, you put it very close to the bottom here and count over 1, 2, 3 strings. That's your D string. And that's what it should sound like when there's no fingers on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to put your hand in the position while you're in playing position so that this way you can see here. What I would do is keep my right hand kind of close to where you're plucking. And I'm going to take my left hand thumb, keep it on the left side of the violin, and slide it up to the side of the first tape. So my left hand stays on the left side, the thumb. My right hand thumb stays on the right side. So if you see here, my two thumbs are totally opposite of each other. One's on the top on the left, that's my left hand. The other is on the bottom on the right, that's my right hand. So this is now how we're going to hold it when we pluck our D string. Keep your left hand thumb up at the top. So now what I'm going to do with my left hand thumb staying where it is, I'm going to take my pointer finger and stretch it over to the D string. I would even keep my pointer finger, my plucking finger on the D string so you can make sure both fingers are on the same string. When you push one finger down, it will sound like this. Remember, it's not as loud as when you do the open D, because when you push down, you're just dampening the sound a little bit. You're making it a little softer. My next finger goes on the next tape, my middle finger on the second tape, and it sounds like this. And then I take my ring finger, I'm just going to show you what it looks like, and I put it on the third tape right here. And that's what this sounds like. So again, open D. I put one finger down. This makes a note called E. I put two fingers down. That makes a note called F sharp. And 3 fingers makes a note called G. So one more time, let me just show you this. No fingers, pointer finger, add your middle, add your ring finger. So what I want you to practice is just doing that, plucking each one 4 times. So again, my left hand thumb stays on the left side, my right hand thumb stays on the right side. That's the most important thing to remember, that you have your opposite hands. The left hand is pushing down on the tapes and the right hand is just doing this over and over again, plucking on the D string. And your left hand is changing. And as you get better at it, you can just take your fingers on and off, and it's a really good exercise for you. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions, of course, just send me an email. We can set up some one-on-one time. But again, just practice along with this. Go nice and slow. Just remember, left hand up here, right hand down here. That's the most important thing. So if you've got those 2 hands figured out, it will get easier and easier every week as we play through this. And again, let me know if you have any questions.